Hello, my YouTube fans. Hello, chess players, new and not so new. So, as I promised you, I'm going to start putting some puzzles up as part of my How to Play Chess playlist, or new academy, or whatever you want to call it. But I've been calling it, of course, How to Play Chess. So, as part of that, hopefully by now you've watched my other videos, and for those of you who had no idea how to even play chess, hopefully you watched my videos and know how the pieces move and started to get the hang of how everything works. One way to, besides playing games, one way to improve your ability and foresight and understanding of how to play chess is to go through puzzles. So as I promised you this book, some puzzles out of this book. So as you can see on the screen, this is Black to Move, Mate in 2, and it is puzzle 113 out of that book. This is a very easy one that I found in the book. I think a lot of these Mate in 2s are easy. So some of them aren't, some of them are, depending on, sometimes one person sees it and the other person doesn't, and vice versa on one. You know, like one puzzle might be easier to another person and vice versa. But so I'm deliberately talking, sort of rambling on, because I'm hoping that you get a chance to figure out this puzzle. So it's Black to Move, Mate in 2. I think I'll just pause for a second or two and allow you to pause the video. Okay. So, what are the candidate moves? Okay. And once you figure out the candidate moves, what are the best candidate moves? And what are moves that are candidates that are basically silly? What you want to do is you want to make a forcing move. Okay, here we go. First move. I hope you studied it. I hope you had time to pause it. I hope you figured it out. For those of you who had it figured out in a few seconds, yes, this is an easy puzzle. This particular playlist is for beginners. So, if you're going to make comments on this video, make them nice. Okay. Okay, so the first move, and there it is. And you would say, why would I give away my knight? Because, what's the next move? It's checkmate. As you can see, this bishop, let me see if I can draw a line on this particular software. No, not that way. Okay, so I can't do that on this particular software. I'll have to figure that out. But in any case, as you can see, the bishop is blocking the king from going to that square, and this is checkmate because of the king has nowhere to go. A very simple puzzle. I talked through it, trying to get you to figure it out. And again, for those of you who are obviously knew how to play chess for a long time and figured it out in seconds, give the newbies a break. And keep your comments kind. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. If you like this particular way of doing puzzles, I'll do more of these, and I'll make better videos on this type of puzzle making. I just tried this particular ChessX software. I use this one just to try it out. Usually I use the Fritz or the chess-based software to do the games. Fritz because I can set up positions, and this one I can set up positions. But I think I'm going to use Fritz from now on. The other way I do it is to give you an actual board. I can set up the camera. If you prefer that way, let me know in comments, and I'll do more that way. In the meantime, Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and keep on playing.